Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on dividing algebraic terms, part 2. In this video we will continue on from the last lesson to learn how to divide algebraic terms that contain pronumerals. In this lesson we will use a much shorter and more streamlined approach. So let's look at the first example. M divided by 9 divided by m to the power of 4. Now it's important, as we saw in the last lesson, to check that the two bases are the same. So they're the same. When they are the same, subtract the powers when dividing algebraic terms. So whenever we have division, we subtract those powers there. So that gives us m to the power of 5 because 9 minus 4 is 5. H to the power of 10 divided by h to the power of 3. The bases are the same. 10 take away 3 is 7. So it's h to the power of 7. For this example, notice we have some leading terms here, a 12 and a 4. Just divide the leading terms and subtract the powers. So you do exactly the same as we did here, but whenever you have leading terms, they have to be divided. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. Simple division. 8 minus 5 is 3, so it's 3y to the power of 3. For this example here, we have two separate pronumerals there. You look at the m first. 7 take away 4 gives us 3. 6 take away 3 gives us 3. So it's m to the power of 3, y to the power of 3. For example 5, 18 divided by 3 is 6. Look at the k's first. 8 minus 4 is 4. Then we look at the m's. 5 minus 2 is 3. So it's 6k to the power of 4, m to the power of 3. For this one here, we have three pronumerals. Look at the a's first. 7 minus 4 is 3. Then you look at the b's. 5 minus 3 is 2. And then you look at the c's. 3 minus 2 is 1. So that's a fairly straightforward approach. Now here are more involved examples, but you follow exactly the same procedure for each of them. With the leading terms, they are divided. Then you look at each pronumeral in turn and just subtract the powers. Let's look at the last one, because we don't have to do each of these. I'll leave you to check those out yourselves. We'll quickly look at the last one before we finish off. 48 divided by 16 is 3. Look at the k first. 9 minus 2 is 7. Then we look at the g. 7 minus 2 is 5. Look at the w. 6 minus 3 is 3. And look at the y. 10 minus 4 is 6. So that's the answer. So in this video we have seen how to divide algebraic terms together. For the leading terms, you divide. Okay, so you must divide the leading terms. And for each of the pronumerals, you look at the pronumerals that are similar in each individual case, and you just subtract the powers.